Today is the continuation of the first part of the chapter Our Food. Today I shall read protective foods. Fruits and vegetables help to protect our body from diseases and help us to remain healthy, so they are called protective foods. Protective foods contain essential nutrients called vitamins and minerals that our body needs to stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables helps to protect our body. See, in the picture you can see the fruits and vegetables. So many kinds of fruits and vegetables are seen on the book. So these fruits and vegetables helps us to protect our body, helps to protect our body from diseases and to help us to remain healthy. These fruits and vegetables are called protective foods and they contain vitamins and minerals which are needed by our body to stay healthy. Balanced diet, a meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet also includes fibers that we get from skins of fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. Fibers help in digestion of the food we eat. We should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water helps in digestion of the food we eat. It also helps to throw our harmful things from the body. A meal that contains the right amount of food in different forms, that is the bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food, is called a balanced diet. And this balanced diet also includes the fibers that we get from the skins of the fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. Fibers help in digestion of food that we eat. So we should eat fibrous foods. Like for example, if you take rotis and chapatis, that these rotis and chapatis helps us in digestion of food. Even the fruits, some raw vegetables also help us to, nuts and seeds also help us in the digestion of food. We should also take or drink 8 glasses of water every day. Everyone should remember this, that we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water helps in digestion of food we eat. It helps us to throw our harmful things from the body. That is if you have seen the sweat on the skin, it comes out, the water comes out in the form of sweat. It also comes out in the form of urine also. All the waste products or harmful things come out of the body by water. So we should drink enough water to keep our body healthy. Good to know. Chocolates have sugar in them. They give us energy too. But eating too many chocolates is bad for our teeth. So chocolates you buy from the shop and take, they have sugar in them. While eating chocolates, it tastes sweet and this is due to the sugar in them. This sugar in the chocolates gives us energy. So as the chocolates give us so much energy, we should not eat too many chocolates, because it is bad for our health. So we should take limited amount of chocolates to keep our body healthy, as well as to keep our teeth intact.